Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix message notification not working on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app list. After click on app list and scroll down and click on messages app, click on force stop. After force stop messages app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app and click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration, click on do not disturb. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone and reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix message notification not working on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.